My name's Yanni, and today we're making a Cajun chicken Alfredo. This Cajun chicken Alfredo is a yummy twist on a classic dish. Juicy chicken, andouille sausage, and tender pasta are enveloped in a velvety Cajun Alfredo sauce. Hi y'all! Welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate, the food is delicious, and you get to make dinner without being stressed. I have a lot of feelings about chicken and Alfredo, okay? Imagine a world where Harry hadn't met Sally. Imagine a world where Thelma had not met Louise. Imagine a world where Tom had not met Jerry. That is not a world I would want to live in. I would also not want to live in a world where chicken and Alfredo are not paired together. Wouldn't you love to get started on this recipe? I would too, but I can't let you do that until you hit that like button and hit subscribe and or tap on that notification bell. Okay, it takes a village up here. In a large pan over medium heat, add the vegetable oil. If the chicken breasts are thick, slice them in half horizontally. Season the chicken breasts with 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning and cook until the center reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Nobody's getting salmonella today, okay? Remove the pan and set it aside. Add the andouille sausage to the same pan and cook this until it's browned. Remove and set aside. Add the onions, red and green bell peppers, and cook these until they're tender, maybe 4 to 6 minutes. Then remove these as well and set them aside. Deglaze the pan with white wine or chicken broth, scraping up the brown bits, all that delicious fond at the bottom of the pan. Then you're gonna melt the butter, and once the butter is melted, add the garlic and cook it until it is fragrant, about 1 minute. Don't burn it, don't burn your butter, just a minute. Slowly whisk in the heavy cream, creating a gorgeous emulsion. Then whisk in the freshly grated Parmesan cheese and cream cheese. Season with the remaining Cajun seasoning by starting with 1 teaspoon and adding more if you want to add more. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add in some of the reserved pasta water if the pasta sauce is too thick. Slice the chicken breasts and add it to the pasta sauce. Add in your sausage and the vegetables that we had set aside and give everything a good, glorious mix. Lastly, add back in that pasta, toss it all together, mix it up. Garnish with some fresh parsley and serve this hot, maybe with a little side salad, who knows? Ooh, side salad, I love that idea, that's brilliant. Serve it up and enjoy, my dears. Look how delicious this looks. This looks fantastic. I mean, really. Chefs on Cozymeal have absolutely outdone themselves. Go ahead and show us some love. Hit the like button and hit subscribe as well, okay? The full recipe is in the description box below, or you can head to cozymeal.com/recipes for more. Y'all, thank you for watching. Until next time.